There is a term to describe the immersive technologies that blend the physical and digital worlds that create new interactive experiences for learners. And the term is extended reality. We have a graphic here that shows the continuum of the reality environment. It starts with the real environment or the physical world we experience without any digital enhancements. We have the augmented reality, or AR, where digital information is layered onto the real world. Augmented virtuality is a mostly digital environment that brings in some real world elements. And then we have virtual reality or VR, which is fully digital immersive experience. Let's look at some of these tools or these experiences through the lens of an elementary classroom that's studying plants. The real world environment, you would have your seeds and your soil and a container to grow plants in, and the kids will actually participate in growing the seeds, watering them, making observations, and recording them. An augmented reality experience uses the real world and then overlays some digital tools or information on top of it. Two good examples are Plant Tail, which allows students to view a plant and how it grows. And then there are some features within the app that shows how much water it gets, how much light there is, and it's all over top of a real plant. Merge Cube is a 3D experience where it looks like if you're holding this cube, it looks like there is the plant sitting in front of you, and you can rotate the cube to see different angles of the plant. And you could see even inside parts of the plant. There's part of the app in the cube that you use together to see inside a plant cell. So the AR or augmented reality enhance our perception of a real world by layering computer generated information onto a physical environment. Augmented virtuality brings elements from the physical world into a virtual environment. So it merges two realities in a different way than AR would. So it's an experience where we have physical objects or views of the physical world are integrated and we can interact with the digital elements. When you think of virtual reality, think of complete immersion. There's a simulation or computer generated 3D environment that immerses a person and allows them to interact as if they were actually in a location or a place. It involves a use of VR headsets where you have these displays that block out the real world and allows you to be or helps you see a 3D environment. There's also motion tracking where it uses sensors in the headset. Sometimes they're gloves or other things you wear to track the movement of your body, your head, your hands, your legs. And there's also some type of sensory stimulation where we have a system that adjusts the display and the sound to match the user's movement, convincing them that they are actually somewhere else. When you think of virtual